Best team.
From the security sector, I'm happy to note that so far we have not had any major security incident to be worried about, and we expect that this is going to be the situation throughout the rest of the coming days. And to the candidates, I'm wishing all of you success.
As we have agreed, in the time that the exam will be administered. This morning you have started with English paper 1. It is only a 2 hours paper. Inside those 2 hours, no one should be having a phone. There's nothing that is going to happen in 2 hours that will be an emergency. So in those 2 hours, please surrender all your phones. And they should be in a locker. And the only person who should be having the key to that locker is the supervisor. If we do that, we are going to secure the credibility of exams in this country.
In addition, we are undertaking surveillance on social media and are already taking action against sites that are purporting to have access to examination papers. The ministry confirms that all examination papers are secure and in safe custody, and hence there are no examination materials in circulations as purported. As you've established, all the materials are securely stored here. And that is happening across all the centers in the country. Candidates should therefore continue to make all their final necessary preparations, and any person therefore who is found compromising the integrity of the examination will be dealt with within the law. I also wish to remind the personnel involved in the administration of the examination and teachers on their professional call and urge them to desist from engaging in any activity that may be against the regulations of proper administration of examination. Appropriate legal action will be taken if they are found to abet examination malpractices.